there's no stability in the market. So you're probably better off just holding on to it. I'm fooling with it now the way you're fooling with it. There's no, it doesn't look to me like there's any reason to sell it. But you get your money out to play it in something else, which is unstable also.
How you doing, Dad? How you doing?
What is it, my dear?
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Are you hungry? Are you hungry?
I'm sorry?
Are you hungry?
No. I think Nelson is trying to fix us something to eat. Is that correct, Nelson?
Yeah, I was trying. I'm doing too good. You want a sandwich instead? I was trying to make something. Try this. I've done them before, but I kind of overcooked these a little bit. They still are right. But they're shrimp toast, and you dip it in the sauce.
Thank you.
Try it.
All right.
A little bit warm. So hold on
They're
to the
hot.
corners. The corners are a little dried up. I cooked it a little bit much. You don't like it this way.
You see the bird drying himself off on the pole?
Yeah.
Oh, he's a big guy. Well, there are two of them out there, aren't there?
What do they call them?
What's
They
that?
look like a